Alright guys, today's essential question is how we multiply and divide rational expressions, but today we're going to be looking at division of rational expressions. I need you to remember, stay, change, flip. Alright, so let's take a look at this expression. So this is a division problem, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the first expression alone, time, change its multiplication, and then flip the second one. I'm going to now factor 6 into 2 times 3, and I've got 3y's. 7x gets left alone. 14 is 7 times 2. And then 15 is 5 times 3. Cross out my factors. I have a 3 in the top bottom, 2y's, 1x, and a 7. Multiply straight across. That's going to leave me 4x squared y over 5. And that will be my answer for that one. For the next one, stay, change, flip again first. So I'm going to have x plus 3 over x squared minus 16 times x minus 4 over x squared minus 9. The numerator of the first one stays the same, but I can factor the bottom one, the denominator, because that's a difference of 2 squares, into x plus 4x minus 4. And also I can factor the denominator of the second one, because it's a difference of 2 squares, x plus 3x minus 3. The x plus 3's cross out, the x minus 4's cross out, multiply straight across. That leaves me 1 over x plus 4 times x minus 3, and that's my answer. Alright, for the last one, stay, change, flip. I have 25x cubed over x squared minus x minus 6 times x squared minus 4x plus 3 over 15x to the 6th. I'm going to factor this now. 25 is 5 times 5. And then this trinomial, I need factors of 6, so it'll be 3 and 2. So that would be x minus 3, x plus 2. Factors of 3 are 3 and 1, so I'm going to have x minus 3, x minus 1 for that trinomial. 15 is 5 times 3, and I have 6 x's. Now let me look for my common factors. I have a common factor of 5. I have 3 x's in common, and an x minus 3. So in the numerator, what's left over is 5 times x minus 1. In the denominator, I have 3x cubed times x plus 2. And that's my answer for that one. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson.